you. So today we're gonna get inspired by a true copper red wig. So exciting. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So this wig is from an Amazon company called EL Beauty or Internal Love. Yes, I'll sign up for one of those. Add to cart. I was excited to try this wig as I have recently done a lot of orange and dark orange and copper other tone wigs. So this one, I was surprised when I opened the bag just how completely different it was. And in fact, I feel a true like auburn copper red. I mean, just such a gorgeous color. And this is actually a 24-inch wig. She looks like really long. And what I love about her as well is that she kind of has a little bit of body to her. She isn't super straight. She does have a little bit of longer layers right here, which is beautiful. So she's just gonna look like pretty natural just due to this kind of like natural looking body right here. And this color is just truly stunning. I absolutely am in love with it. So let's talk about the wig construction. She does have light lace, which is pretty nice, and a very soft lace as well. She does have a standard 2.5-inch parting, which is pretty typical for your Amazon wig. She does have 2 combs right here in the side, and then she does have 1 comb right here back in the middle. She does have a medium wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. She is also heat resistant to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so let's put this gorgeous girl on. Very excited. So she does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you're ready to go and rock her out. But I'm gonna be using a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. And I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, oh my gosh, this color is stunning. I absolutely love it. It's bringing me life. All right, so one thing I noticed from tossing her on, and this does happen with some wigs, and it may just be this wig, it may not be for every wig that you buy, but every once in a while you'll have at the very, very top kind of like these shorter like baby hairs, kind of like Barbie spikes, if you will. And the way to correct it is just to use a pair of scissors and just trim them down. We're gonna work on those. So let's just take a look at her hairline. So she is like pretty typical. She definitely needs a little bit of attention to the hairline and also the parting. But you know, that's pretty typical, so nothing out of the ordinary. All right, so let's cut the lace off and see what this girl is really all about. And here she is. All right, so now we're gonna take our wig brush and just lightly brush her out. From brushing her out, she does have very, light to medium shedding. The reason why it always seems a little bit more with a long hair is because these hairs are so long, but I do feel like it's pretty average. So let's actually just quickly take our scissors and just trim out these little pieces. This actually happens a lot with human-haired wigs too. I'm also gonna just brush this back. That actually corrected a lot of it. There was too many of the hairs that were supposed to be in the back that were up in the front. So that fixed that. So sometimes you just gotta play around with it. All right, so let me stand up so you can see where she lands. So, right, so she's 24 inches. That's 24 right here, but definitely a long 24, I feel. So let's actually play with the parting. So let's shift her around and see if she gives different looks. So I'm gonna shift her to my left eyebrow, which is my usual parting, and see what kind of look she gives. This is cute. Yeah, so she lays pretty good on this side. Enjoy this a lot. So definitely this is a doable way of parting her. So let's put her on the other side, see if she gives a different look. I feel a pretty similar look for both sides, which is pretty good. Not gonna fight that one bit. So yeah, this is really pretty. Really loving this color. I'm gonna put her back in the middle. Really excited to have this wig and give it a try, as I truly feel that it is a true auburn copper tone, which is really amazing. So this wig is from EL Beauty, also known as Eternal Love. So definitely check it out and let me know if you have any wigs from this company or if you have a really gorgeous auburn wig. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig and have fun. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a beautiful auburn copper colored wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.